Hello everyone, I am Pawan Kumar Malik from Birla Public School Pilani, Department of Mathematics. Today we will continue chapter 9. This is the third part and topic is subtraction of algebraic expressions. Learning objectives. At the end of this video, students will be able to subtract the given algebraic expressions through vertical arrangement. That is, expressions will be arranged in rows. We call it writing in rows. We have learnt how to add algebraic expressions in the previous classes. For subtraction also, like terms are arranged together in rows. Remember, in subtraction there will be only two rows. In addition there may be many rows, but in subtraction there are only two rows. Let's take few examples. Example number 1. Subtract 7x squared minus 4x plus 5 from 9x minus 10. For this, we do the following vertical arrangement. But before arranging, one thing I would like to highlight here, that the expression which comes after from is always written first. Means that is always considered as row 1. So here also we'll do the same thing. The expression 9x minus 10 has come after from, so that's why this will be considered as row 1. You can see now 9x minus 10, it has come after from, that's why it is written first. That's why it is considered as row 1. Now from the first expression, which is 7x squared minus 4x plus 5, like terms will be collected. Like terms will be kept together. So it is 7x squared, it's an unlike term, that's why it has been kept separately. Now minus 4x and 9x, they are like terms, that's why they are kept together. Plus 5 and minus 10, they are like terms, that's why they have been kept together. So here what we have done is like terms are kept together. Now another important point you have to remember is the sign of the lower expression is always changed. That is, the sign of the row 2 is always changed. Sign of row 1 we do not change at all. Row 1 remains unchanged. Only the sign of row 2 is changed. So here it is plus sign, so it has become minus. It is minus sign, so it has become plus, and it is plus, then it has become minus sign. We have changed the sign of the lower expression. Now we'll do the simplification. So minus 7x squared will be written as it is. Now 9x plus 4x is equal to 13x, and minus 10 minus 5 is minus 15. So this has been subtracted. Now let's take few more example. Example 2. Subtract 5x squared minus 4y squared plus 6y minus 3 from 7x squared minus 4xy plus 5x minus 3y plus 8y squared. So arranging the expressions in rows we get. Here also we will arrange these given expression in two rows. So what will come in row, you know it very well. The expression which has come after from, that expression is here. I'll show you here. I will highlight here. 7x squared plus 4xy plus 5x minus 3y plus 8y squared, it has come after from, that's why this expression will be written first, not the first expression. Second expression is considered as row 1. So let's see how it will be kept here. So the expression which has come after from has been written first, that is row 1 as row 1, and another one 5x squared has been written just below 7x squared because they are like terms, minus plus 6y below minus 3y, minus 4y squared below 8y squared because they are like terms, and minus 3, it has been written separately because it's unlike term. Remember what technique is applied? The same technique which we had applied in case of addition. Always like terms are kept together. if like terms are not kept together, we cannot do addition or subtraction. This you remember. After that, we'll change the sign of the lower expression. This is plus sign, it will change into minus. This is plus, it will change into minus. This is minus sign, it will change into plus. And this is minus sign, here also it will change into plus. Means we change the sign of the lower expression only. That is row 2 only. Row 1 remains unchanged. So let's change the sign now. So it is plus sign, it is changed into minus, plus into minus, it is minus sign, so it is plus, changes into plus, and minus changes into plus. Now let's do the simplification. So 7x squared minus 5x squared will be 2x squared, minus 4xy as it is, plus 5x as it is. Now minus 3y and minus 6y, minus 9y. After that, plus 8y squared and plus 4y squared. It will be plus 12y squared and plus 3. This was example number 2. Now let's take another example. Example number 3. Subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Here also, this, just have a look here. This expression, second expression which has come after from. So this 12a minus 9ab, and after that plus 5b and minus 3, it has come, this has come after from. So this expression will be written first. This expression will be considered as row 1. So which comes here, which appears here. Arranging the expressions in rows we get. The expression which has come after from has been written first, and now from the first expression like terms will be kept together. So 4a below 12a because they are like terms, minus 7ab below minus 9ab because they are like terms, plus 3b below 5b because they are like terms, and plus 12 below minus 3 because they are like terms. Now we'll change the sign. Here it is plus sign, so it changes into minus, minus into plus, plus into minus, and again plus into minus. Now we'll do the simplification. So 12a minus 4a, it will be 8a, minus 9ab plus 7ab, it will be minus 2ab. Remember, we always look at the new sign. The old sign we do not consider. Just you forget the old sign. Always look at the new signs. So I have also considered the new signs only. Old sign of the lower expression is just ignored. So 5b minus 3b will be plus 2b, and minus 3 minus 12 will be minus 15. So this was example number 3. Now let's take one more example. Example 4. Subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2zy minus 2xz and plus 10xyz. So arranging the expressions in rows we get. So what will come here? Which expression will be written first? You know it very well that the expression which has come after from, that will be arranged first. That will be written first. Means it will be considered as row 1. So here 5, I am writing now. Now this is the first row, 5xy minus 2zy minus 2xz plus 10xyz, and the like terms from the first expression, like terms will be kept together. So 3xy below xy, below 5xy, 5yz below minus 2zy. Remember here, yz and zy, they are the same thing. They are not different things. This is zy and this is yz. These are, their meaning is same. Yz and zy, when in multiplication, they do not make any difference. Here is xz, here is xz, and here is zx. They are also same thing. Zx and xz, they are like terms. So it will be here minus 2xz and minus 7zx, they are like terms. That's why they have been kept together. And after that, here we will change the sign. It is plus sign, so it changes into minus. Here also plus sign, so changes into minus. Here is minus sign, it changes into plus sign. Once again, I would like to say here that we change the sign of the only lower expression, that is row 2. We do not change the sign of the upper expression. Now we do the simplification. So 5xy minus 3xy is equal to 2xy, minus 2zy minus 5yz is equal to minus 7yz, minus 2xz and plus 7zx is equal to plus 5xz, and the 10xyz will be written as it is. So this is example number 4. This is how we do the subtraction of algebraic expressions. So I hope that you might have understood, and you have to keep on practicing. Thank you very much indeed.